Hey there! If you're enjoying these quick and clear programming tips, don't forget to subscribe to Topictrick, the place where Rexx becomes easy and fun to learn. Let's dive into today's topic, subroutines in Rexx. Subroutines in Rexx are like mini programs inside your program. They allow you to write a block of code once and reuse it whenever you need. This helps keep your scripts neat, organized, and easy to manage. In Rexx, a subroutine is typically defined using a label followed by a colon, and it's called using the call instruction. Here's a simple example. Let's say we want to print a welcome message from multiple places in our code. First, we define the subroutine like this. Welcome. Say, welcome to Topictrick. Return. Then, whenever we want to use it, we simply write call welcome. The call keyword tells Rexx to jump to the subroutine, execute it, and then come back to the next line after the call. You can also pass arguments to a subroutine. For example, call greet Alice. And the subroutine might look like this. Greet, parse arg name, say hello, name return. In this case, the parse arg command pulls the argument into a variable you can use inside the subroutine. Subroutines help you avoid repeating code, improve readability, and make your logic modular and easy to update. Plus, they make larger scripts much easier to maintain. So the next time you find yourself writing the same thing over and over, turn it into a subroutine and call it when needed. Got more questions about Rexx? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Topictrick for more clear and simple Rexx tutorials. See you in the next one!